Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2019 Jayco Jay Flight 154BH, one of the smallest bunkhouses you're going to be able to find on the market, and it really packs quite a bit in and can sleep quite a few people as well. So we're going to start off on the outside, just walk around, and then we're going to go inside and see what really kind of sets this apart as well. So your 7-gallon propane tank, making sure that this space gets really warm and can keep your fires burning and your food cooking for a long time. Really nice here. It opens up, puts a ton of natural light inside. A nice protection too while you're driving down the road instead of having an exposed window. Just walk around the outside. As you notice, it's a 15-foot 4-inch floor plan. Really small, really compact, under 3,000 pounds dry. It's really easy to tow with a lot of different vehicles here. You have your spare tire off the rear. As you notice too, it's got a high chassis. It can really get a lot of places. With that 3,000 pounds, you can tow it with a lot of things too. Nice push button awning comes out, covers a lot of space here. You have your speakers off there that's played from anything on the sound system inside, plays out of those speakers as well. And what they're trying to do in this space is they're using as much as they can at their disposal to give you as much as they can inside. So they're putting a lot of storage in here. So storage goes underneath one of the bunks and goes both left and right. So you got a lot of storage in there as well. We're going to hop inside. We're going to see what it has to offer inside as well. With any Jayco trailer under 20 feet, you have a 7-foot width and you have 6'3" ceilings. And what that means is that you also have a side-mounted AC instead of a top-mounted AC. What you have here is your bed is in the front. It's an east-west bed. This is also your dinette. In this amount of space, things do become a little bit more modular, but they give you a lot of more versatility in this length as well. There's a lot of storage up top, pass through, goes all the way across. You have storage right off the entrance too for a lot of gear. Place to mount your television right here, and all your plugins are really easily accessible. Plus, all of your switches on and off, and your awning push is super easy and really easy to hand. Nice solid surface countertops and low fridge, so you don't have to like reach up high for anything. A ton of storage there. Plus your microwave, 2-burner stove, and your heater right there. There's a ton of storage down here for pots, pans, and enough room to store a lot of gear for cooking and cleaning as well. And what was going to definitely set this apart is your 2 bunks. It's a 15-foot floor plan, and you still get 2 single bunks here. These go all the way back, and the teddy bear covering on these things is super soft, really plush, and a lot of room back there. We walk into the bathroom here. One of the things that Jayco gives you, especially with something that has bunks, is a nice tub style, because you're bringing the kids along. It's nice to be able to get them to jump in and clean off and make sure everything's ready to go as well. If you have any other questions about this rig or any other rig we have on lot, feel free to drop me a line, 773-655-7190, or stop by and say hello. Thanks.